appear offline on WhatsApp even when you are online. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can appear offline on WhatsApp even when you're online. Now, the steps are pretty basic and simple. Go ahead and open the app and you'll get an interface like this. Now, since I don't have any chats, it's my new account, so you'll have your chats right here. On the top right corner of the screen, you'll find the three dots option just beside your search icon. Now tap on it and here you'll go to the option settings. Now here you'll get varieties of option. Now go ahead to privacy, and on privacy you can see the option last seen and online. Now what you want to do is tap on it, and once you tap on it you can see who can see my last seen option. You can choose to set it to everyone, my contacts except, and nobody. Now since we wanna hide our online status or appear offline even when we are online, we'll just choose it who can see my last seen to nobody. Now make sure the green dot is on nobody, and second option is who can see when I am online, so just set it to same as last seen, so nobody will be able to see that you are online or when you were last online. So this way you can appear offline on WhatsApp even when you're online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.